here today with my beautiful friends, Amy and Lauren. Today we're going to be showing you an original dance fitness choreography to De Oro featuring Elvis Crespo's Bailar, which I will link below. Stay tuned afterwards for a full step-by-step tutorial so that you can learn all the moves in and out and perform them to the best of your ability. So, with that said, let's dance. All right, here we go. Slow. Hip, hip. Nice and slow. Or quicker. So please. Two more. Good, combination one. Right, left. Left, step. Give it up. For you and do it step by step. Are you ready? Woo! Yeah! Love it. First time. Okay, so our intro step into the song is going to be super slow for the first 2 counts, and then we're going to do them 4 times quick. We start off with a slide, hip, hip, slide, hip, hip. Now again, first 2 times are super slow. So we slide, hip, hip, slide, hip, hip. 4 times a little quicker. Slide, hip, hip, slide. 2 more. Slide, hip, hip, slide, hip, hip. Good. So that's our intro move. The most important thing to remember is that on those hip hips, you really want to crunch your hip up into your rib cage, right? So it's not just like these beautiful little hip moves we do sometimes in class. It is more like a boom, boom. Lock in that rib cage, crunch the core side to side, right? Let's do a couple of these. Hit, 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 hit. Good. Lock it up, lock it up, lock it up, lock it up. Beautiful. All right, let's try that one more time. 2 times slow, 4 times quick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide, hip, hip, slide, hip, hip, slide, hip, hip, slide, hip, hip. 2 more. Last time. Good, okay, so that brings us right into our combination number 1. All right, combination number 1. Now, obviously, this is going to be backwards to you because I'm saying right, left, but have no fear. We're going to actually film the entire dance from behind us at the end of this video so that you can do it with us with all the correct cues. For now, just try to do your opposite sides. Yes, thank you. All right, so we're going to start with a right, left, right into a box step. Right, left, left. Again, right, left, box. Your arms here, and then we go up, on the box step. Here, up on the box step. Again, 4 more. 3 more. Good. Feel those hips. Sink that belly button into the spine. 1 more time. Good. On those arms up, we're going opposite way so your core is engaging. We're here. Boom, boom, boom. Right? Get that cross in the core. All right, so that's combination number 1. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Excellent job. From here, really easy, we transition into our chorus by shaking. I love a good shake, right, Amy? Right, Lauren? I love a good shake.
Yeah.
So we're here, we go a little quicker, now we're gonna hop, 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 hop. That takes us into our chorus. We are gonna immediately face left, your right leg works. So everything in the beginning half of this song is all right foot first. We started here with our right foot first, and our chorus, we're gonna do right foot first as well. So, front, back, hit for 2. Front, back, hit for 2. Good. Give me 4 more. Front, back, 2. Front, back, 2. Front, back, 2. Good. Now, Lauren is going to show you the modified version. On our chorus, the front, back, 2, 2, she's going to stay right in place. She's right here with the front, back, 2. Front, back, 2. All right? Amy and I are going to travel. We're going to come up, hold center, up, hold center, back, hold, back, hold. All right, so you got different options depending on your level, how you're feeling that day. It doesn't matter. Dance fitness is for everybody, so you choose what feels good to you today. Arms are very simple. It's whatever you like. I usually do a little twist and 2 in the center, twist, 2 in the center. But again, whatever feels good to you, let them just flow naturally. All right, 2 times up, 2 times back. We immediately go to the other side. Left foot, go. Front, back, 2. Front, back, 2. Front, back, 2, 1 more. Good, that's your full chorus. So you are already facing this way at the end of the chorus. You're immediately, again, you're starting with your right foot. Right foot is the one that's back. You're gonna take it right, left. Turning you to the other side, you immediately cross your right foot. Arms go up, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left foot now is back, you start that way. Left, right, 4, 3, 2, again. Right, left, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left, right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful job. How's that feel? Good? All right. Make sure when you're coming around in the circle, shoulders are down, your belly button is again pulled to the spine, chest is lifted, the arms come out shoulder height for 4, 3, 2, 1. They're up, nice and tall, skimming the belly button to the spine, and back the other way. 4. So that's combination number 2. Our third combination, or let's call it a bridge move, transition move, however you want to say it, is going to be a cha-cha with a pivot. So the first thing we do is 2 cha-chas to the front. Again, right foot started. We right, cha-cha-cha, left. Now we pivot. Right pivot, right cha-cha, left pivot, left cha-cha. All right? Let's do that again. You do it 3 times total. We're going to go ahead and do it 3 times through, starting on the right. Right, cha-cha-cha, left, pivot, right cha-cha, pivot, left cha-cha again, right, cha-cha-cha, left, cha-cha-cha, pivot, right, cha-cha-cha, pivot, left. Last time, go, right, cha-cha-cha, left, cha-cha-cha, right, left. Good job, all right, see, not so bad. Easy. As soon as we come out of that final pivot cha-cha, we immediately start everything on our left side. So the second half of our song, everything starts left. Right back with combination number 1. Left, right, box step. Left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Let's do it again. Right, left, right. Good, let's add in those arms. They stay nice and low to the body on the opening. Up for the box step, right? Working the core. Left, right, right. 1 more. Good. We immediately go back to that transition move of the shakes. We shake, shake, shake. We get a little faster, we jump. Now we immediately face the right side. Our left foot is gonna work first. It goes front, back, 2. Front, back, 2. Front, back, 2. Front, back, other side, right foot. Right foot. Good. Now again, on those, Lauren's going to show you the modified. She'll be staying right in place as we go front, back, 2. Amy and I will be moving towards you and back. Choose your level, whatever feels good to you today.
Despacito, mami, yo sé que te va a gustar. Despacito, mami, yo sé que te va a encantar. Mueve, dale, vamos. Despacito, mami, yo sé que te va a gustar. Mueve, dale, más sabrosito. Vamos a bailar. ¡Es la cosa! ¡Llévatelo! ¡Aprieta! ¡Vamos! Una mexicana se puso a bailar. Sudaba tequila, yo quiero probar. Yo soy vegana, la van a envidiar. Baila como diosa, así no jodas. ¡Súbelo, súbelo, 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 súbelo! ¡Vamos a bailar!
Thanks so much for joining us. I really hope you liked this routine, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this, fitness, fashion, please go ahead and subscribe. Click that bell to get notified anytime I upload, which will hopefully be more often in 2020. And yeah, we'll see you guys in our next video. Thanks. Bye.
I'm embarrassed.
Hey guys, am I filming? I was supposed to say that the opposite way. Let's try that again. Take 2. No, it's not what I wanted to say. Yeah, let's try that again. I'm so not in focus.
Nope, it blurry as hell.
Oh, you. I'm gonna have to edit this so much. All right, combination number 2, which I should have said before. So I'll crop it and edit it. Was that combination number 2? What combination are we on? Boy, if I knew. So that's everything, guys. Thank you.
I'm embarrassed.
I'm embarrassed filming myself, not teaching.
Have fun.
Thank you.